Welcome, in front of me I have VIVO V20 and today I will show you how you can take a screenshot without using physical keys, so it will be the gesture screenshot. At the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to find shortcuts and accessibility. Next just simply go for the S capture and enable this option. Slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Take a look right now. When you make the gesture with the 3 fingers, we can capture any screen. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. So for example, if you want to wish to capture this screen, just make it like that, and as you can see, there it is. You can save by tapping on the right upper corner, and after that you will find that screenshot in the gallery. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.